In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to check your screen on time on Windows 11. This is super useful if you want to manage your time better, monitor your productivity, or even keep track of your children's PC uses. So let's get into the video. So first of all, click on Windows Start menu, then search here Setting, open Settings. In the left hand panel menu, click on Systems. Now click on Power and Battery. Here as you see battery uses option, just click on that. Now here as you see screen on time 2 hours 48 minutes. If you want to change the time period, here as you see just click on 24 hours, select last 7 days. Now here as you see average screen on time daily 3 hours 41 minutes, and you can also check the individual date. That's how you can check screen on time on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.